Get your 0-calorie olive oil cooking spray and spray down your pan. We're gonna put this to medium-high heat. Place 2 pounds of 93% lean ground beef and start to cook that down. I have a head of lettuce here, and I'm just gonna show you the parts that I'm not gonna eat, so I'm gonna get rid of because it's nasty, and we are just gonna chop this bad boy up. Don't cut your fingers, should go without saying. We're gonna grab 1 pound of cherry tomatoes. Now, you may have a more ingenious way of cutting these, but I went the old-fashioned way, just driving myself crazy, cutting one at a time. And that's all we're gonna use for veggies. Once that beef has started to cook down a little bit, you're gonna use your seasonings of choice, but today I have gourmet burger seasoning. Goes really well with burger, crazy enough. I have Alessia's crispy potato puffs. These are basically just tater tots. We're gonna spray our air fryer with that same cooking spray. Pop them in for 380 degrees for about 8 or 9 minutes. For the burger sauce, we're gonna grab ketchup, hot sauce, and light mayo. And we're gonna start with 3 tablespoons of light mayo. We're gonna go about a cup of ketchup, and I'm just adding some salt and pepper. We're gonna mix that right up. This is a good opportunity to let you know that you should taste your sauce, because at this point I tasted the sauce and realized that could use some garlic powder. So I threw that in there, and this came out very good. When everything is ready to combine, we're gonna start with the base layer of our ground beef, followed by our crispy tater tots right on top. And then we're gonna throw our veggies on top. And lastly, you are gonna divvy up that sauce. Now this right here is 4 servings. I have 3 big servings and then 2 small servings that I'm considering to be both a half a serving, obviously. And there you have it. I'm gonna throw the macronutrients up on the screen. Thanks for watching. Hope you try this one because it was really delicious, and it will help you get that burger satisfying deliciousness and help you stay on top of your meal goals.